Personal pronomen. In English, we can say personal pronouns. Okay. I think I have done ish, do,
And
You know the meaning of these words?
Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
Ish means
So,
I.
hmm,
Do means you.
yes.
Ear means he.
Air, yes, air,
S means it.
it
yes,
and she.
He means she.
yes,
Wear means we.
hmm,
Um, Year means you both or you all.
yes,
And he
Yes.
means they.
yes. They also, and
She
you.
also.
This is for informal, and this you is for formal. Okay. So
So,
before
but
proceeding,
whichever they prefer to speak with, formal or informal, which one they like.
like when we are speaking with friends and all, then you can use do.
Okay,
Otherwise, z.
okay.
Okay. Before proceeding forward, we will do some verb. I'm writing the meaning like gehen is to go. Wohnen is to live. Bringen to bring. Spielen is to play. Trinken is to drink. Heißen is to be called. Okay, so we will do the pronunciation. Please repeat with me. Gehen,
Gehen,
Mhm.
wohnen,
wohnen,
Oh,
wohnen,
wohnen,
bringen,
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 spielen,
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 trinken,
trinken.
trinken,
heißen.
heißen.
It's a
So
P
have you
or
noted? It's heißen, heißen. It's
but
beta.
I
Actually, this word
beta. Okay,
is beta and
Double.
okay.
it is double S.
Supplements. Okay.
Okay, but it is called heißen.
Hygiene.
Have you noted the meanings?
Hygiene. Yeah.
Okay, so in English, if I'm saying I go to school, okay, and if I'm saying she goes to school,
Okay.
so see here, verb is changing according to subject.
Yeah.
Here also we have ish, do, er, as, z. So these are the verbs. We cannot use the same verb in all. We need to do the conjugation. Yes, like if I'm saying uh I drink, but if I'm saying she drink, is it correct? But if I will write she drink, this is wrong.
Yeah.
So we will do the verb conjugation today. That is how the verbs change according to the subject. Okay.
Okay.
So first we take an example like we take one verb common. Okay. Common is to come. So see, in the word common, this en is the ending. Okay? And this com is the root. Okay. So we will change the root according to the subjects. For example, with ish we use comma. With do we use const. See, the root verb will be the same in all, and the ending will change. Here the ending is e, here is st, here will be t, here will be en, here will be t again, and here will be en. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
We will do some more examples with these verbs also, then it will be more clear to you. Like the next verb we will take gehen. If I'm taking gehen, so en is the ending. Yes,
Yeah.
we will remove the ending and we will take the root ge. So in ish it will be e, ending will be e. Again the root and ending will be st. Again the root and the ending will be t. Again the root and ending will be en. Again the root and ending will be t. Again the root and ending will be en. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
But in the pronunciation, we can able to understand easily because words are little different only. There is no much difference.
Yes, we will do the pronunciation.
Okay.
Firstly, I'm trying to, complete the concept. What is the concept between these verbs and subject?
Okay.
Okay, okay. So we
Okay.
will do this common verb conjugation pronunciation. It is comma. Please repeat with me comma.
Comma.
Comst,
Com.
comt,
Com.
common,
Common.
Com.
comt,
Com.
Com.
common.
Common.
So I'm saying again, please listen. Comma, comst, comt, common, comt, common. Now you say
Comma. Com. Com.
com. Hmm.
Com. Common. Com. Common.
Senthil.
Comma. Coms. Coms.
Hmm.
Common.
Hmm.
Com. Common.
Hmm. This is geha, gaze.
Geha.
Yes, geha, gazed,
Geha. Based. Get.
gate, gehen, gate,
Geha.
and gehen.
Geha.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm giving you more verbs. You need to do it with yourself and send me. Okay. You will do for wohnen, for bringen, for spielen, and for trinken. Remove the word ending and then conjugate the verb, then fill it and send me. Okay. Now,
No, how? I mean, we have to tell you.
no, you just fill in your notebook and then send me the photo.
Okay.
Okay.
Mostly find technology towards mostly. Mostly locals. In Japan, you can find a handsome man towards sad mood. You and the right foot. Japanese like अठ्ठाईस नंबर आला कोणाचा नंबर आला अठ्ठावीस तुझं तर आहेच नाही येण्याचा पाहिजे माझा आहे कशी तेवढंच sent you
Okay.
the same language which
Okay. Okay.
seriously but they were pretty class now.
Senthil, have you done?
Yeah, just now.
Okay, take your time.
How to send here actually?
On the
How to send
language bridge number.
number? Okay.
Yes, WhatsApp. Okay, I'm also filling here. Have you filled right, both of you?
Yes, I forwarded to WhatsApp.
Yes. Check there also. I am filling the right one.
Okay.
Yes.
All are right?
Yes.
Okay, so mainly the verb ending is like E, ST, T, EN, T, and EN. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, you need to remember the order that first ish will come, then do, then air as Z, then wear, ear, Z, and Z. Okay,
Yeah. Right.
yes. So there is one more verb that is Heisen. Okay, means to be called. What will be the conjugation? Ich heiße,
Isa. Hello.
ich heiße, du
Coming.
heißt. See, we will not write here st because beta already means double s. Yes,
Yeah.
so that's why we will not write st here. We will write only t. Okay,
Okay.
and air as z also heißt beer is Heisen, eher is heißt, and z is Heisen. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yes.
We will do the pronunciation now. Repeat with me: Heiza,
Isa.
Isa,
heißt,
Has.
I,
heißt,
Has.
I,
Heisen,
Izen,
Hyphen.
heißt,
Heist,
Has.
Heisen.
Hyphen.
Okay. And for the wohnen, wohner,
One.
Owner,
wohnst,
owns,
Owns.
wohnt,
One.
owns,
wohnen,
Wonen.
own,
wohnt,
Won.
want,
wohnen.
Wonen.
wanna,
So please repeat by yourself.
owner,
Hmm?
Owner. Wants.
Hmm?
Won.
owner,
Hmm?
owns,
Hmm? Okay, try for bringen. Try for it.
bringer,
Bringer.
Hmm?
Brings.
bringest,
Bringst, yes.
Bringed.
Hmm? Bringt,
Bringen.
and
bringen,
Bring.
brings,
bringt,
In.
bring.
bringen. Good. Okay, Venisha, you have sent for the spelen. And in the third word, you have not written spielt. You have written speed.
Okay, okay.
Okay, L is missing.
Okay.
It will be spila, spilst, spilt, spillen, spilt, and spillen. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, for trinken it is trinka, trinkst, trinkt, trinken, trinkt, again trinket. Okay,
Yeah.
I think it is